So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to check the sensor on any IC indoor cycling bike. To start with, locate your sensor, which will always be on the left hand side of the bike, just on the opposite side of the casing. Now gently pull the sensor from the bike. Some bikes will have a little bit of glue just holding the sensor in place. If that's the case and you can't slide it out, use your multi-tool which came with your assembly pack to unscrew this little screw just underneath, and then that should take the casing off of the sensor. Once your sensor is out of the bike, now find any sort of magnet, this can even be a fridge magnet from home, and just gently run it along the edge of the sensor. Whilst doing this, check your monitor to see that the digits are actually changing. If your digits are now changing, then this could simply be a case that the sensor was not pushed far enough into the bike. If your digits still aren't changing on your monitor, then this could be down to a faulty sensor. For how to replace your sensor, there is another video located on our YouTube channel. So once you've checked your sensor is fully working, simply slide the sensor back into the bike. Be careful not to push your sensor too far into the bike, as this will catch on the inside. You'll be able to hear this catching on the inside as your pedals go round.